Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. I'm your host Jason. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Instagram "Sorry, we couldn't complete your request. Please try again in a moment" problem. First, you'll need to go into Play Store. Once in Play Store, you're going to search for Instagram. And as you can see here, the app needs updating. You're going to update the app. And once Instagram has finished updating, I'll show you what to do next. After it has finished updating, we'll be going into settings. Once in settings, you're going to scroll down and you're going to select apps. Then you're going to tap on the search icon in the top right hand corner and you're going to type in Instagram. After you have selected Instagram, you're going to scroll down and you're going to tap on storage and you want to tap on clear data. After you have tapped on clear data, that should solve your problem. And now you'll get rid of the message that says, "Sorry Instagram, we couldn't complete your request. Please try again in a moment." Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. And thank you for watching.